In this episode, you will learn real English used in hospitals through a simple and natural story. You will follow Jonah and Elena as they experience a real-life hospital visit step by step. From describing symptoms like headache, fever, and tiredness, to speaking politely with reception staff, nurses, and a doctor, every situation is designed for beginner learners.
Jonah, can you come here for a moment? I don't feel very well today. I feel tired, very tired. And it's not just normal tired. I feel weak, too.
Hey, let me look at you. You don't look okay. You look a little pale. Tell me slowly, what do you feel?
I feel hot, then cold, then hot again. And my head hurts. I have a headache, a strong headache.
So you feel tired, you feel hot, and you have a headache. That sounds like a fever.
Yes, I think I have a fever. I really don't feel good.
Okay, let's think together. We can stay home and rest, or we can go to the hospital and see a doctor.
I want to rest, but I feel a little worried. This doesn't feel normal.
You're right. When you feel this way, you should see a doctor. It's better to be safe.
Yes, I think I should see a doctor. Can you go with me?
Of course. I will go with you. You don't have to go alone. Before we go, check your bag. Do you have your phone?
Yes, I have my phone.
Do you have your ID?
Oh, wait, I don't think so.
You don't have your ID? Elena, the hospital needs your ID.
Okay. Don't laugh. I'll get it now.
Take your time, but not too much time.
We're here. Wow, there are so many people.
Yes, it's quite busy today. Hospitals are always busy.
I feel a little nervous. I don't like hospitals.
That's normal. Many people feel nervous in hospitals. But don't worry, I'm here with you.
Thank you. That makes me feel a little better.
We have an appointment with Dr. Evans. Here is the referral.
Thank you. I'll get this processed. The waiting area is just down this hallway.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. My friend is not feeling well today. She would like to see a doctor.
I'm sorry to hear that. What is your name, please?
My name is Elena.
Nice to meet you, Elena. Please, slowly. What seems to be the problem?
I feel tired. I have a headache, and I feel hot.
Okay, Elena. I will register you. How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
25? Okay. Do you have your ID?
Yes, I have my ID. Here it is.
Thank you. Thank you. Please take this number and wait.
Okay, I will wait. Jonah, how long do we need to wait?
Maybe 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes. Not too long.
I feel very tired. When I sit, I feel okay. But when I stand, I feel weak.
Then sit. Just sit and relax. You don't need to stand.
Okay, I will sit. Thank you.
Do you want some water? You should drink water.
Yes, I want some water.
Here you go. Drink slowly.
Thank you. You are very kind today.
Only today?
No, every day. but today more.
Elena?
Yes, that's me.
Elena, please come with me.
Okay, I'm coming.
I will come with you.
Please sit here. Relax. Don't worry.
Okay, I'm sitting.
I will check your temperature now. Please stay still.
Okay, I will stay still.
Yes, you have a fever. Your temperature is high.
I knew it. I feel very hot.
Now I will check your blood pressure. Please relax your arm.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect. Just relax. Don't move.
You're doing great.
I'm trying. I don't like this feeling. I don't like being sick.
Nobody likes being sick. But you are strong. You will feel better soon.
I hope so. I hope so. I want to feel normal again.
Hello, Elena. Tell me everything slowly. What do you feel? What do you feel?
I feel very tired. I have a headache. I feel hot and sometimes cold. And I feel weak when I stand.
Okay, that is very clear. You explained very well. Do you have a cough?
No, I don't have a cough.
Do you have a sore throat?
Yes, a little.
Do you feel tired?
Yes, very tired.
Elena, you have the flu. It is very common. It is very common.
The flu. Okay. Is it serious?
No, it is not serious. You just need rest. You should rest at home. You should drink a lot of water. You should take your medicine. Rest, drink water, take medicine. These 3 things are important.
Rest, drink water, take medicine. Okay, I understand. Okay, I understand. Sorry, can you repeat that? How many times a day?
2 times a day. 1 in the morning, 1 at night.
Morning and night. Okay.
Hello. How can I help you?
Hello. We have a prescription.
Okay. Please wait a moment.
I hope this medicine helps.
It will help. Don't worry.
Take 1 pill in the morning. Take 1 pill at night. Morning and night. Every day.
Morning and night. Every day. Okay, I understand.
How do you feel now?
I still feel tired, but I feel better than before.
That's a good sign.
Thank you for helping me today. You stayed with me. You helped me. I really appreciate it.
Of course. You are not alone. You are not alone.
Next time you go to the hospital, I will help you.
Let's hope there is no next time.
Watch the full story and repeat the sentences with Jonah and Elena. Subscribe for more real-life English conversations and speaking practice.